Welcome into 5 Greenmount Court here in Heaton, just off Greenmount Lane. Property is very well located, close to many local amenities. Here we are in the entrance hallway. You can see the property is heated by electric storage heaters there. We've got an intercom system there as well, and we've also got loft access up there. So just to the right of us we have a really good sized lounge. Electric firing surround there, storage heater once again, and a door which leads out to a balcony which has got plenty of space to sit, relax and enjoy these beautiful communal gardens. Back into the property, back into the lounge, and to the right we have the kitchen. Range of fitted wall and base units with extractor fans, space for electric cooker, fridge freezer there as well, and of course space for the wash machine there. 1.5 bowl stainless steel sink, and again with those views leading out over the communal gardens. 2 bedrooms. So as we go back through the lounge into the entrance hallway, what was used as bedroom 1, we have here with loads of storage for fitted mirror wardrobes, dressing unit there as well, and a double glazed window to the side. Bedroom 2 is just further along the entrance hallway, and we have plenty of fitted wardrobe space here. Currently being used as a dining area with a double glazed window there to the side, and then the shower room we have just here. So it's 3-piece. We've got the walk-in shower just here, the WC and the sink with fitted units and the double glazed window to the side. Really lovely home, as I say. It's for over 55s, beautifully presented throughout. And for any further information and indeed to arrange a viewing, please contact ourselves at Cardwell's Estate Agents in Bolton on 01204 381 281.